Hi everyone, welcome to a new in-depth tutorial for the Animation Editor Pro series. You'll learn how to modify and refine an existing animation. We'll use some advanced techniques in Animation Editor Pro, like enabling specific bones within an animation strip. By the end, you'll be able to create a polished and professional-looking animation with just a few clicks. First, let's see what the end frame is for the longer animation. We'll make the animations of both characters end at the same time. We want this chill guy to notice the scary character at some point, so we'll rotate his head towards her a little bit before she notices him. Let's see. The end frame is too high. Decrease the animation repeat value on the 3 cyclic strips so their end frames are reduced. Take note of the new end frame. Now we add a new strip starting at this new end frame. We'll call it turn head. Let's check our animation. The scary character isn't walking all the way to the end. Let's check the frame range for this strip. It's wrong. Enable custom action frame range and set the correct action frame range. Notice that when using the Animation Editor Pro add-on, the scene end frame is determined by the currently selected rig. This means it will automatically adjust to show that model's animation exactly from start to end. Set the current frame to the beginning of the turn head strip and insert an initial keyframe for the sub-neck bone. Now move the current frame forward a few frames and rotate his neck towards the walker, like he's just noticing her. Lock it in with another keyframe. Now they're making eye contact. Keyframe that beautiful moment. Rotate his bone again so he keeps watching her and add another keyframe. Finally, go to the end frame of the turn head strip, give his head a final rotation for this sequence, and hit Insert Keyframe. Now let's refine those initial idle movements. Tapping with both hands and feet feels a bit robotic. Let's switch to just one side for a more casual vibe. Select only the foot bone you want tapping. Then, in the Rhythm Feet strip, enable Only Selected Bones. This will exclude any other bone in the rig from being animated by this strip. Do the same for the right hand. Select the desired finger bones, go to the Rhythm Fingers strip, and enable Only Selected Bones. Okay, let's check how our animation is going. Tapping with just one side feels more natural, don't you think? Anyway, if you wanted to return to tapping with both sides, it's as simple as disabling Only Selected Bones on both strips. This is one more of the advantages of working with Animation Editor Pro. You can significantly improve your animation with just a few clicks in a non-destructive way. Let's add some blending to the head movement. Select the turn head strip and disable Animated Influence so we can add some blend in. The Rhythm head strip doesn't have blending added yet. Let's see how it looks. We'll need some blending on the Rhythm head strip too, for a smoother transition. Let's reposition the view so we can appreciate our animation clearly. Okay, now let's add some blend out on the rhythm head strip. Let's play it one more time. Yeah, that transition is way better. The head turn flows nicely now. The final scene looks just great. Thanks for completing this Animation Editor Pro tutorial. You should now be well on your way to refining your own animations. Got questions? Please don't hesitate to leave them in the comments, and don't forget to watch the other Animation Editor Pro tutorials that complement this series.